guys, my name is Chiara and I do reviews in Italy. This is my first review in English, so forgive my translation and pronunciation. Today I wanted to present this kit produced by UD. Here it is box and atomizer, Gaxi box and atom tinis. I already talked about the atom in another video, so let's talk about the box. Look here, it's too cute! Wow! I really like the big side button for activation and the color so fashionable. The box have smooth lines that create a beautiful appearance similar to some supercars. The box have a built-in 3200 mAh battery and a maximum output of 60 watts. Support all the types of resistance: stainless steel, nickel, chromium and tantalum. But now, zoom in and see everything in detail. Here we are, this is the package, Gaxi, UD. On the back, we see written the content of package and specification of the Gaxi. Now let's open, and we have the warranty terms and Gaxi instruction manual. Wow! Look at the dimension, it's very little. $50 millimeter. $66 millimeter. And 30 millimeter. We have a large button and a smart indicator. You can see the battery power on the display and on the button, that at 60 to 100% we have a white light, 21 and 60% blue light, and 0 to 20% red light. During the charging we have a white light on, and when it is fully charged the light stops shining. On the screen we can see the wattage, ohm and battery. When you press the button 5 times, you can turn it or off. The screen darkens after 5 seconds without touching any buttons. If you need to lock, press power button and minus for 2 seconds, lock it. For unlocking, repeat the above step. There are 3 types of color. You can see it in this picture: white with red stripes, black and white stripes, and this blue and white. But now let me show how it works. Okay, instead of mounting the tinis, which is a mouse to long atomizer, since I prefer the long nail, I mounted a Pro 22, always by UD. I set the power to 45 watts with a liquid full VG, and now vape on. And with all this vapor I greet you, and if you liked the video leave a super like, a big kiss from your Milf Svapo. Bye bye!